Hey y'all, I want to show you how to use the Cropadile today. First of all, it has two hole punches, one on each side. The first one has a 3/16 inch and the second one has a 1/18 inch. It has a lever on each side, and these levers you have to unscrew and then you move them back and forth on how far in the depth of your paper that you want to punch. I'll show you. First I'm going to do a small, a little one. This is one, here you go. Can you see that? It's just very shallow. Next I'm going to do a medium. There. You see it's more into my paper. Next I'm going to unscrew it and pull it all the way back. And you got to screw it back. And then it goes all the way up, and see, it goes further into my paper. You would use that for like bigger tags, deeper tags. This one may be for smaller tags. That one, I don't know what you'd use that one for. But I also want to show you a trick. This is my professional way of cleaning out the little hole that you use for the hole punch. Grab your scissors, take the end, stick it in there and run it around. Well, it works sometimes. There it goes. And it comes out. I'm gonna punch some 1/18 holes too, so we can look at the eyelet. Attacher. I'm trying to put the eyelet through the hole. Well, that went pretty easy. The eyelet attacher, you've got this black cube with all these little metal eyelet, I call them eyelet crunchers on the end of them. You just pick which one. They all do a different design. I say a design. One of them will make your eyelet go like that on the back. Some of them will make it curl up on the inside. They all do a different one. You have to play with it to see which one does what. But the bigger one like this makes it go out like that usually. And now it doesn't work so good on these eyelets because they're small. But and also if you use the flat blank part on this side, or it's got a little metal piece that pokes out over there, but you can push down on it. And then the opposite one doesn't push down, but it pokes out. It'll fit in your small eyelets. But the back one and the front one, both of them are blank. And I use the blank ones, and then the blank one and the rounded one on my eyelets to give it the outside. I'll show you. If it'll work. There. It doesn't work so well on these little eyelets, but it's supposed to make it go over and back. So that's that one. And each one of them does a different one. And this one's really hard. I hope the newer Cropadiles are easier to push this onto, because this one is really hard to snap those in and out there. Maybe it's just for me, but that's how you use it. I need to oil it. It's got a squeak. But anyway, thank you for watching. This is my first video, so, well, actually I've recorded it a couple of times, but anyway, it's my first video, so please be gentle. And let me know if you understood it and if you have any questions. Thank you.